Hey friends, it's Mel. Welcome back to my kitchen and welcome to another grocery haul. If this is your first time here, let me say an extra special welcome to you. I hope that you'll like everything that you see here and check out some of my other What's for Dinner video. Today, I've got an Aldi haul. I had some things that I just really needed to go to Aldi for that I can get real cheap there. And I tried to get some other things there that I needed too. So I'll flip you around and show you what I got. Here is my overview. I always like to give you the little lowdown first. This was about $140. And we'll just start over here with the big pack of toilet paper. I think I've told you anytime I buy groceries, I've just been picking up a pack of toilet paper. You don't go to Aldi and not get red bag chicken if they have it in stock. And you know, this stuff, it said it was $7.19 and it had like an X over the tag, like it had been $9. I think this stuff was like $5 when I first started buying it, but it's really good. It is just a really high quality. We'll just cook these up and just eat them like a fried chicken patty when we're in a hurry. I did get us some French fries. We were out of fries. I got us some of this irregular bacon. I've bought this before. Great flavor, no problems by me. And I did get some fresh ground beef, the 80/20, and I have plenty in the freezer. But I've really been wanting a meatloaf, and I'm just funny about once I thaw hamburger meat out, I just don't like to form it back into a meatloaf. I don't know. I just want to cook it up after that. I got some cheese singles. Got a big tub of this lunch meat. This is rotisserie seasoned chicken. I got 2 rolls of crescents. And I think this was all that I got sucked into on the Isle of Shame. But is this not beautiful? It's a mini wreath. But really, this is a very good sized wreath. It's 13 inches in diameter, and it's got a little hook that you can hang it by. And I have kind of just a smaller tobacco basket in my kitchen, and it's got gray tones in it. And just this past weekend, I put out all the different purple and lavender flowers over here in my kitchen and stuff. And I thought that would be so pretty. This was $7.99. And I thought it was so pretty. As a matter of fact, I went back in and got another one after I got my groceries loaded, because I got to thinking I'm having trouble figuring out what to do on my coffee table. This would be beautiful just to lay down and stick the candles inside of it like a candle ring. Anyway, I got 2 of them. I got sucked in. Got the big box of their brand of Cheez-Its, which my family loves these even better than the regular Cheez-Its. I found this for like $1.49, white cheddar and black pepper macaroni. And I already have a box similar to this, but I paid about $1 more for it. Remember that white cheddar veggie mac and cheese that I was making back maybe last summer? I'm ready for that again. So I've got 2 boxes of macaroni to work on that. I got a bag of Italian style cheese. I just wanted some shredded Parmesan. Couldn't find it, but this is the next best thing. This will be fine. I got 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. You can't beat these for 58 cents a piece. I'll pick up 2 every time I go in there. Got a little can of tomato paste, a can of their brand Rotel, and 4 of these small cans of just tomato sauce. I noticed when going through my pantry the other day, I was really low on tomato sauce. I will always grab a couple of gravy mixes, and I did get the less sodium one this time, especially if I'm going to try that Mississippi pot roast again. I'm using brown gravy instead of that au jus. That was just way too salty, and I got the less sodium. We saw these. They had like 4 different varieties of this. They had a Baja fish taco, and I can't remember what the other 2 were. I think one might have been a carne asada. But this Southwestern Ranch chicken, I thought this would be great to throw in the crock pot and do up some chicken for some tacos. That sounded really good. Got a couple of these little cheese and breadstick deals. Got a bottle of the Caesar dressing. We're also ready for some Caesar chicken. We've not had that in a while. And that's what I needed the shredded Parmesan for. And just some other things too. Always grab a bottle of ranch when I'm in there too. Went ahead and grabbed this olive oil. I have used this a lot. This is $2 and something. But it is perfectly fine for what I use. Got a container of mustard. I just opened maybe my last one out of the pantry. I got these. I see that my friend Tiffany buys these a lot from Small Town 6. And I love tortilla chips and corn chips. I love salty snacks like that. And these always look so good. And they kind of remind me of those they sell at Costco that kind of have like the beans and stuff in them. I know these don't, but anyway, they all like them at Tiffany's house, so I'm going to give them a try. Got a little thing of these little turtles. They're like goldfish crackers. My daughter can eat those, pack them up and put them in her lunch. Went ahead and got me a jar of minced garlic to put back in the pantry. I was getting low. Got a loaf of bread, and this whole wheat was the only bread they had out there. Grabbed some sweet Hawaiian rolls. Well, when I say bread, I mean like sandwich bread. They did have stuff like this out. But I got these. I thought I had a little bit of leftover lunch meat, and I might make us some sliders out of that one night. And then one of the main reasons I had been wanting to go to Aldi, well, like garlic, olive oil, this kind of stuff here that I was talking about, 97 cents. You don't beat that price anywhere. I got some minced onion. I was running low on that. And I do like to put these on top of my sliders. And if you're wanting to make like a Big Mac or a Crystal hamburger at home, you can rehydrate these in a little bit of water. And they taste just like those little onions that you get on those burgers. Needed some Italian seasoning. I was getting low on that. And just some plain paprika by itself for deviled eggs and egg salads and stuff like that, where I just want some paprika and not a lot of other flavor. Now, we've got through my stock up and my impulse buys. Let's get over here to a little bit of junk food, lunch stuff. We have to have this too. Got the chocolate dipped granola bars. Got a thing of cupcakes, peanut butter bars, like nutty bars, and some Swiss rolls. And my husband likes all these Aldi snack cakes just as well as Little Debbie, and they're a whole lot cheaper. Got flour tortillas for the week. And I did get some chewy chocolate chip cookies. And he loves these peanut butter fudge. This is like a Girl Scout tag along. Now, we're a family that, like, we're in moderation. You have this stuff, but then I have all this stuff too. So, you know, a lot of people have been mentioning that they don't think canned vegetables are good, that I use too many canned vegetables. Well, you know, I don't like to waste food. I buy the produce that I know we will get eaten up, and I don't think there's anything wrong with canned vegetables. Everything that I have read says they're just as good as fresh or frozen. And I like frozen veggies too. But anyway, that's just my little spiel for today. You know, I try to do all things in moderation. Are we perfect? No. Look back there. We are not. We are not perfect. But we do have these baked turtles. That's a little bit better. And we try to do this throughout the week too. Anyway, I'm doing what my family will eat here. But I got this big, well, it's not a big bag. It's a 5-pound bag, but it's big potatoes. They're big bacon potatoes, and I may bake one or two of them up, but I'll probably cut some up and fry them or do stuff with them too. I got this little bag, and I paid $3 for this little bag. I could just whoop myself for that. But anyhow, I paid the premium. I really wanted these this week. Got a bag of pink lady apples. Those were the cheapest ones this week, and they looked really good, and we were out of apples. Went ahead and did a splurge and got me some mini sweet peppers. I love these for snacking and to cut up and put on salads, and I just had not bought me any of the little mini ones in a long time, so I splurged there. Got a bag of Vidalia onions. They didn't have the tearless ones. This was actually the last bag that I got of those. Got a bag of green onions. Went ahead and got 2 bags of this sweet butter salad blend. This was cheaper than buying a head of lettuce this week, and it's already done up. And, you know, I've got salad. We eat salad a couple times a week with every meal. Got me a couple cucumbers, and look at these strawberries. They were just putting these out, and they look so good. They were like $1.70 something this week. So anyway, that just about does it here for me this week. I'll see you Sunday night. I appreciate you watching. I don't ever take your time for granted, and I hope you're making it through this midweek hump. And I'll see you on Sunday. Until then, I send you love from my kitchen.
Is it live action?
It's live action.
No. It is.
What do you mean live action?
Password.
I'm live action. I'm live action.